This is a type of Hypericum called Tricolour, and it's more of a dwarf trailing variety. It's a nice little shrub. It's got this variegated foliage, and as you can see, many of the leaves have got red edges or red tips, hence the name Tricolour. So it's a nice little plant to add a different colour foliage in an area, and it's a dwarf variety, so it doesn't grow too big. It'll fit in the space where you haven't got that much space. Now it's got these nice familiar flowers, these yellow flowers that cover the plant, and it's starting to come into bloom now. So you don't often see this sale, I find, but I think it's a nice little plant. Bit of a variation on the Hypericum head coat that you see everywhere. Now it's an evergreen shrub, so it will keep the leaves through the winter unless you get a really harsh winter. If you get a really harsh winter, it's going to lose all these leaves, but come the spring it'll all be back again. It'll be right back to normal come the summer, flowering again. Like with a lot of these plants, they'll flower on new wood, so you can keep it trim, you can prune it, keep it in shape. So it's a hardy little plant, nice little underrated shrub that you don't often see. Yeah, so this one's called Tricolour.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.